Michelle and I often get asked, what about this opportunity with PolyLevel? What about this career path with PolyLevel? And Michelle and I have struggled to say, how the hell are we going to feed this thirst that our team members have to have more knowledge so they can build a bigger career, support themselves and their families?
A couple years ago, we enhanced our mission by adding making a life, not just making a living. That's really important. Our mission has never wavered from the start. Create opportunities for others. We wanted to grow careers at a pace that was at minimum in tune with the progress of our team. We're partnering with a very huge company. Suffice to say for the moment that they are one of the fastest growing companies in North America, and certainly the fastest growing company in the home services industry, who we think will help us achieve what we set out to accomplish, but at a much faster pace.
We call ourselves a tribe because we're an employee-owned company, and as such, we believe that the men and women of the company hold each other accountable to the standard. And although we're a big company, we don't act like a big company. And I never want to be that big company, where we can express ideas, and we can be courageous, and we can take risks, and we can move into markets that people never thought we would move into. And as we met with Michelle and Francois, and they were talking about the culture here, it was a marriage. It was a marriage of how we look at the world, how we treat people, how we want to grow as a business. And it has to be more than just a job. It has to be an opportunity for everyone in this room.
So we are very aligned, and we are confident that with the partnership we will succeed at a level we could not have achieved on our own. Francois and I are so very proud of our team and what we have accomplished up to this point. And as you will see, we're just getting started.